When is maintenance triggered if there is no maintenance strategy? Many maintenance triggers can be used for this type of no maintenance strategy maintenance. These, however, are all characterized by an unstructured and unplanned approach. Breakdown trigger. Breakdown is the most likely trigger for maintenance. If the asset is required and not working, then maintenance will be required. Time trigger. Time may also be used as a trigger. I haven't lubricated the machine for a long time, could be a trigger for maintenance. Event trigger. An event could be used. A news report of a fire being caused by a similar asset may trigger a maintenance inspection. Usage trigger. A usage trigger may initiate work. A counter ticking over to a significant milestone may initiate maintenance by the user if they want to. Importantly, this would not be pre-planned. Condition trigger. Condition may also be used. The example of the bathroom sink beginning to run slowly is an example of this trigger.